Hello, my name's Kiera, and I love Ted's Hair. I heard about this place from my friend. She's bought a lot of hair here before, and I love the hair myself. I've been here, I think, 3 hours now, going through and really doing, my research and everything. And if you saw the box of everything that I got, you would know that how much I love this hair. Customer service is A1. And that's one of the main reasons why I even bought here. I've been to several places and the customer service here cannot be topped. I mean, you get to sit down, it's air conditioned, there's hand sanitizer. It's lovely. I love it.